Ever wonder why the harder you chase, the more distant she seems? What if I told you that the secret to attracting her lies in not chasing her at all? Sounds counterintuitive, right? But in today's video, we're going to uncover the psychology behind attraction and how you can effortlessly draw her in without seeming desperate or overbearing. Stick around, because by the end, you'll discover the key to attracting the right kind of attention. And it doesn't involve running after her. Understanding attraction. Attraction is a powerful force, but it's not about constant texting, showing up at the right places, or putting in endless effort. In fact, these behaviors can often push someone away. The psychology of attraction tells us that people are naturally drawn to confidence, independence, and mystery. So, if you're constantly chasing someone, you're unintentionally showing them you're unsure of your own worth. The power of independence. One of the most attractive qualities you can have is independence. Not only does it make you appear more self-sufficient, but it also sends a message that you are comfortable with yourself. When you stop chasing, you create a sense of mystery and value because you're not constantly available. This space allows her to think of you and feel curious, which naturally increases attraction. Confidence is key. True confidence isn't about pretending to be someone you're not. It's about being secure in who you are and what you bring to the table. Women are attracted to men who are at peace with themselves, not those who seek validation from others. By focusing on your personal growth and pursuing your own passions, you become someone she will respect and admire, not someone she has to fix or teach. Communication and boundaries. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to attract someone is over-communicating. Sending constant texts or always being available makes it seem like you have nothing better to do. Instead, set healthy boundaries. Let her initiate sometimes, and when you do communicate, make your conversations meaningful rather than just small talk. This sends the message that you value your time and your relationship with her. Let's take the example of Alex, a guy who was constantly chasing after Sarah. He would text her non-stop, ask her to hang out almost every day, and constantly sought her approval. Sarah, on the other hand, felt overwhelmed and started distancing herself. She liked Alex, but his needy behavior made her lose interest. After realizing his mistake, Alex stopped texting so frequently, began focusing on his own passions, and gave Sarah space. Over time, she found herself reaching out to him more, and their connection deepened. The change was subtle, but Alex learned a valuable lesson. Attraction grows when you stop chasing. Attraction isn't a game of chase. It's about creating a sense of intrigue and showing that you are complete on your own. Confidence, independence, and healthy boundaries are key to drawing her in. Remember, the more you chase, the more you risk losing the attraction. By focusing on being the best version of yourself and letting her come to you, you create the conditions for a genuine connection. Now that you know how to attract her without chasing, it's time to start applying these principles in your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with anyone you think could use a little help with their relationships. And remember, attraction happens naturally when you're secure in who you are. Keep being the best version of yourself and let things unfold organically.